Are you having fun? Poor Kay fell asleep. Aww. Hey, baby girl. Hey. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Can I get you? Oh, get you. Get you. Bouncy, bouncy baby! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! Yay! Bouncy, bouncy baby! He likes to throw the toys to you, doesn't he, Kevin? Yeah, you're playing so nicely with him. Are you a jumper? Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Oh, yeah? That's fun. Hi, Lexi.
Say hi.
Hi, Ace. How are you? They're all wild. Hi. You having fun?
I can go all the way today.
We're gonna go way over there. Yeah. We're on the lake. Going on a boat ride. It's a buoy.
Why?
So that you know that there could be people swimming over there.
Is that movie?
Yeah, that's a buoy. Do you like Grandpa's boat? Is that a fun boat? Yeah? Yeah, there's some dogs up there. Oh, people setting off fireworks.
Yeah, but I'm not.
Is that cool, Kevin? See how they're like go on the ground a little bit? Yeah.
Bright color.
It's not loud, Kevin. No, I don't think so. It just goes around doing that, all the way around the circle.
Boom!
Is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
You like that? What are you boys doing? Huh? What are you boys doing?
Both the boys love to get to mom, huh?
Are you getting to mommy? Yeah, you getting to mommy. Jeez, it's a video, not a picture. Oh, I'm gonna get you! Hi, Hudson. You got a video. Hi. I want to see these two.
Hello, Mr. Chris.
Andy, are you doing
Hello.
a video?
Yep.
Hello.
You didn't get them hugging just a
Get your
second.
nose.
No, I didn't
I'm
get
gonna
a
get
hug.
your nose. I'm gonna get your nose. I got your nose.
What are you guys doing?
Because I get water out of there. I put them in the grass to water it.
Huh?